Hello everybody, I'm in the kitchen and we are making a French coconut pie, a buttermilk French coconut pie. So if you want to know how to make a really just easy coconut pie, stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, we are getting ready to go. We need 1 1/4 cups of sugar, and I'm gonna just measure this in best I can. There's 1 cup, and this is 1/4. Okay, now to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. You can just kind of do it like that. Get you a regular tablespoon. Just get you 2 spoons. Now we're going to mix these together, because a lot of times when you mix flour into wet ingredients, it doesn't mix up good. It leaves lumps. And when you mix it with the sugar, it kind of helps it not. Same things with cocoa. Cocoa is hard to mix with water or milk or anything like that cold. But if you mix it in with the sugar, it mixes up a lot better. Now, to that, we're going to add 1/2 cup of butter, melted. We've got that right here. Let me get my little spatula back here again. We try to get all this out. We can, because it calls for 1/2 cup. So we want to make sure we get it close to 1/2 cup as we can. I'm going to put this over here in my sink. A little water in it. This, I'll tell you what, cooking gets you so nasty. Now, we're going to kind of stir that up just a little bit. Kind of cool it down some. Then we're going to add 3 eggs. Well, we have to, well, we'll do it this way. This will be all right. This coconut pie, if you like coconut. Now, if you don't like coconut, you're probably not going to like this. Let's get that mixed in there just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to 1/2 cup of buttermilk. I'm going to use my same there's my 1/2 cup of buttermilk. And a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're going to put just a, if I can get this to come open, just a squirt or 2. Just a squirt or 2. And we're going to try to mix this up a little bit. Okay, we've got our sugar, flour, butter, eggs, buttermilk, vanilla. Now we got to get our coconut in. I can get my lid off here. This is 1/3 cup right here. So we're going to put 3 of these in there. 1, because we want 1 cup. 2, 3. Now, we're not going to hardly put the full 3. We're going to save just a little bit to sprinkle on top. So we're going to stir this up. Okay. Now, scoot this back out of the way. We're going to get our pie shell. You need just a regular pie shell, thawed. Then we're going to pour this in there. See. Well, actually, we probably do need to add just a little bit more coconut because it says 1 1/4 and save a 1/4 to put it on the top. So I put just a tad bit back in there. Okay, now we're going to pour this in the bowl or in the pie shell. I don't know why I said in the bowl, y'all. My brain, I probably need to eat something. My sugar is probably getting a little low, I would guess. I probably should have ate before I started this pie, but I didn't. So anyway, it'll be okay. Now we're going to take just a little bit of coconut and we're going to sprinkle it over the top of this. I can't even get my hand to work right this morning, you all. I made oatmeal pies a while ago. I went and changed my shirt because it got dirty. But I also wanted it to be able to tell it was a different video too. Okay, now let me get this in the oven. And we're going to bake it on 325 for 1 hour or till it's set. But we'll be back. Okay, guys, the pie is out. It took about 55 minutes to bake mine, this time on 325. So I'm going to turn it around, let you look at it. If I can get my phone to cooperate. There's what it looks like. I cooked it on a cookie sheet because they're so full that it's hard to put your hand under the pie pan and it be stable. So I'm just letting it cool now. You want to let it cool about 2 hours before you try to cut it because it has to set and it continues to cook even though you've took it out of the oven. It's still going to continue to cook a little bit. And I've still got one more pie I'm going to make in just a little bit. I don't know if I'll do it today, this morning or not. But I may make, I don't know. I thought I might make a butterscotch pie. I don't know if I'll make it or not. Depends on how tired I get, I guess. But anyway, I need to shut my oven light off. I have a tendency to leave that on sometimes. I forget about it. But anyway, you all try this coconut pie. If you like coconut, this is a really easy pie to make. And it tastes really good. If you like coconut, I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.